Oh, look it. So we finally got this bike done, the SSR. Finally fixed all the harness, stator, put it back together, just letting the battery charge. So it's finally gonna be done. This guy's actually working today. Finally learned how to work.
Coworker setting me up for failure.
Took him a day. Took me to have a day off for him to work.
I took a day off.
All right, so we got this Kawasaki 300 in. Look, has some transmission noises, so we're gonna have to pull off the transmission and change the bearing in there. We already checked it and stuff like that. The bearing in there is bad. So we're gonna take this all apart and get those parts ordered. We got little Mickey working on the Ducati, acting like he knows what he's doing. Of course he don't. And then this one's finally done. Finally got this out of here. Well, it will be. The SSR 300. New harness. Stator, everything we redid. Cleaned his carburetor. So we'll see if this guy will ever finish anytime soon.
Not with this filter.
But we'll see if he can finish. We can act like he knows what he's doing.
Someone. Yeah, fake it till you make it.
Stupid. So yeah, that's what we're doing today. Kawasaki's done. Levers. Oh, you put new grips too, huh?
Yeah.
You put the new grips for him? Man, his front brake's kind of like, it's spongy. New tires. On this. Alright, so we got the 300 running. Oh, I guess still cold. So it's running, but it still has more issues. I saw that, yeah. I'm gonna take it back. I know. It looks tight. Be in school?